Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have started with exercise 2 and we have done the section B and section C for it. Now today, first of all, I will give you some of the homeworks which is to be done from exercise 2.2. The same sums which are from exercise 2.2 are in the exercise 2 also. So first I will give the homework and also I will tell the sums which are to be cancelled and then we will start our work. Homework from exercise 2. Section E. First sum we have to find the correlation coefficient by Karl Pearson's method. For that I have found for you x bar we have 40, y bar we have 98. I have found because for explaining you which method is to be used. Now see, x bar and y bar both are integers. So which method is proper for that? X minus x bar, y minus y bar method. Then second sum of section E also is to be done. For that, second sum, x bar is 35, y bar is 34. So again use the same method and do the sum. So friends, from section E, you have to do two sums. Then from section F, first sum, x bar is equals to 27.5, y bar is equals to 113.5. Now friends, x bar and y bar both are in points, both are in decimals. So if you want, you can use xy method also. If you want, you can use uv method. But as we can see, the values are large, so we will better to use the uv method. Okay, uv method. Now if you want also, I can decide for you. Take u is equals to x minus and v is equals to y minus. Now see, as x bar is 27.5 in first sum, so find the value near to it. 27.5 exactly is not given, so instead 29 we can use for it. So use u is equals to x minus 29. Now for v, 113.5, so for that you can use 115, or the repeated value is there, then you can use that also. But no value is repeating, so it's better to use 150. First check whether the value is repeating or not, but none of the value is repeating, so instead use this. See, this much hints I am giving. After that you solve the sum. There are again many people who will not solve this sum. Solve it, it is for you only. Now for second sum, x bar is equals to 46, y bar is equals to 4.92. Now see, x bar is integer but y bar is not integer. Also the values are above 50. So you can use xy method, but there are decimals also. You can use, okay, it's not a problem, xy method, but there are decimals, so we cannot use. So instead use uv method with scale. uv method with scale. For that u is equals to x minus. If exactly 46 is given, then it's okay, but it's not given. So instead use x minus 47. Here don't take any scale, only take scale in v only, okay? v is equals to y minus, and for that use 4.92. So use 4.9, and as you know, after decimal we have 1 point, so 0.1 and again 0.1. So use this method. Okay. Third sum. X bar is equals to 564.29. Y bar is equals to 21.25. Again use UV method with scale. U is equals to X minus. Now 564.29 is there, and we have to check any of the value is repeating or not. None of the value is repeating, so better to take 600 divided by see, there is one zero in every term, so divided by 10. For V is equals to Y minus, see 20 is repeating in the terms, so use 20 divided by. Now see, there is no zeros, for some values there are zeros, for some it is not there, so all are divisible by 5, so divided by 5. For fourth sum, X bar is equals to 116.67, Y bar is equals to 34.17. So for that also UV scale. For that take U is equals to X minus. 80 is repeating, so 80 divided by 10. And for V is equals to Y minus. We will use 35 and divide it by 5. No person will give you this much hints. No person will give you. I am giving this much hints. Now if still you are not doing the things, then it's not my fault, okay? I am giving this much hints to solve the sums. Now it's up to you that if you want you solve, if you don't want then it's up to you. So this is our homework. If you want, you do. If you don't want also, you don't do. Nothing will matter me, okay? So for section E, 2 sums and the method I have said. For section F, 4 sums and method I have said. And what to take also I am saying. If you want, you can take different thing, but your answer should be correct. Okay, your answer should be correct. So these are the sums for home. Now sums to be ignored. For exercise 2, like in exercise 2.3 we have ignored sums from 3 to 6. So here also we are ignoring some of the sums. Section E. Which are the sums which will you ignore? 4, 5. Then section F, 5, 6, 7, 12. So this is your homework. This is your sums which you will ignore, and the remaining sums I am doing on board. So homework is compulsory. Okay, so do the homework and ignore this sum. And now we are starting, as yesterday we have completed section C, now we are going for section D, that is sum number 10 on page number 111. So note down these things. Yes. Okay. Now in section D we have reached. In section D we will take tensor. The following data is available for two variables: rainfall in millimeter, x yield of crop in quintal or hectare, and y. N is equals to 10, x bar 120, y bar 150, sx 30, sy 40, sigma xy 1,89,000. Find correlation coefficient. So we are in section D and we are in sum number 10. We are writing the data. N is equals to 10, x bar is equals to 120, y bar is equals to 150, sx is equals to 30, sy is equals to 40, sigma xy is equals to 1,89,000, and correlation coefficient R is given. So first see the values which are given. N, x bar, y bar given, sx, sy is given. So covariance is not given, so n is used, and sigma xy is there. So the formula for it will be sigma xy minus n into x bar into y bar upon n into sx into sy. As I have said, if there is no covariance in numerator, n will come in denominator. So 1,89,000 minus 10 into 120 into 150 divided by 10 into 30 into 40. So 1,89,000 minus 10 into 120 into 150, 1,80,000 upon 10 into 30 into 40, 12,000. 9,000 upon 12,000, answer. 9,000 upon 12,000, 0.75. So R is 0.75. So this is about section D, sum number 10. Now going for sum number 11. The following information is obtained for 9 pairs of observations. So if we need n, it is 9. Sigma x 51, sigma y 72, x square 315, y square 582, xy 408. Find correlation coefficient. N is equals to 9 pairs. Sigma x 51, sigma y 72, sigma x square 315, sigma y square 582, and sigma xy 408 are question mark. See, I have not rubbed the tensor. The reason is simple. In both xy is given sigma xy. So we will get confused that which is the formula. Now this is the formula is to be used. No, because here x bar y bar given. Okay, that x bar y bar is possible here also. But here sx and sy is given. So in denominator sx and sy is there. Here sx and sy is not given. So you have to use the main formula of xy. That is R is equals to n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by, in the first square root, n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square multiply n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. Friends, you have to understand, I have not written. The reason is simple. One more mistake we are doing. Sometimes here n is required, we are not taking, because here only xy is there. And sometimes by mistake we are taking here n sigma xy. So both formulas are simple and similar to it. So please understand, when sx and sy is given, formula is based on that. And when sx and sy is not given, sigma x square, sigma y square is given, so formula is this. Okay? N is 9, sigma xy 408 minus sigma x 51, sigma y 72 divided in the first square. N is 9, sigma x square 315, sigma x whole square is 51 whole square multiply the second square root. N is 9. Sigma y square is 582. Sigma y whole square is 72 whole square. 408 into 9. 3672. 51 into 70. Also 3672. Divided by 315 into 9. 2835 minus 51 square. 2601 multiply 582 into 9 5238 minus 72 square 5184. See now what other people will do, they will directly write the answer 0 because you know numerator is 0, so answer is 0. No, you don't have to write like this. You have to complete the whole sum, means you have to complete all these calculations, otherwise marks will not be there. Now it is 0 divided by 2835 minus 2601. Solve the sum till last. So square root 234. 5238 minus 5184. 50. 0 divided by 234 into 54 equals to n square root 112.409, so 41. And now the answer is 0. We know answer is 0, but if you are writing from the between, then the answer will be wrong. So you have to solve the sum maximum. So see 10th and 11th sum both are on the board and the formulas are similar. Please understand, according to the information the formula will be used. Now, 12th sum. Information on basis of ranks given by 2 judges to 8 contestants. So there are n is equals to 8 in a dance competition as given below. Sigma rx minus ry whole square is equals to 126, where rx and ry are the ranks given to contestants by 2 judges. Find Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So this is 12th sum. N is equals to 8. Sigma rx minus ry whole square is equals to 126. R is equals to question. Friends, only one thing we need to understand is that this is actually sigma d square. Why? This is actually sigma d square. We have d is equals to rx minus ry. So instead of this rx minus ry, we can split t. Sigma rx minus ry whole square is equals to 126. Therefore, sigma d square is equals to 126. Only this thing is to be understood, that instead of d square they are giving rx minus ry whole square, otherwise the thing is same. Now r is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n in bracket n square minus 1. So you have to be aware with the formulas that whenever which formula is to be used according to the information. 6 into 126 upon 8 in bracket 8 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 126 is 756 upon 8 in bracket 64 minus 1. 1 minus 756, 8 in bracket 63. 1 minus 756, 63 into 8, 504. 1 minus 756 divided by 504. That is 1.5. So the answer is minus 0.5. Okay. Only the thing which was to be understood in this sum is that rx minus ry whole square means sigma d square only, nothing else. Now the last sum of section D. The ranks given by 2 experts on the basis of interviews of 5 candidates for a job are 3 5 5 4 1 2 2 3 4 1. Find the correlation coefficient from this data. Now this sum is very important. Ranks are given, Rx and Ry is given. We have to keep it in table and we have to solve the sums. The ranks given by two experts, 3 5 5 4 1 2 2 3 4 1 are question. Now we will write the columns as Rx, Ry, D is equals to Rx minus Ry, and finally the D square. Now how to write the data is only important. The first pair is 3 5, so 3 in the Rx, 5 in Ry. Second 5 4, so 5, then 1 2, then 2 3, and last 4 1. So in this way you do. Sum is easy, but you want to understand what the things are being given. We have to take the total of only d square. So sigma 3 minus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 4 1 1 1 and 9. 9 plus 1 10, 11 12 plus 4 16. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n in bracket n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 16 divided by n is 5. 5 square minus 1. 1 minus 16, 6 are 96 divided by 5 in bracket 25 minus 1. 1 minus 96, 5 in bracket 24. 1 minus 96 divided by 120. 1 minus 96 divided by 120. 0.8. R is 0. So friends, we have completed so far section B, section C, and today section D. Now again we are going for section E. Sums are very easy. If you understand the things properly, then sums are really very easy. So see, in section E, first and second sum has been given as homework. Now remaining sums, from the remaining sums, there are two sums which are cancelled, and there are remaining two sums which I will do on the board, and that sums are repetition of exercise 2.3. So first and second sum you have to solve as homework. Fourth and fifth sums are related to 2.3 which have been cancelled yesterday, and the remaining sums, that is 3 and 6, are also 2.3 where ranks are given. Where rank we want to assign, such sums are ignored. Where ranks are directly given, that sums we have to do. Now that is third sum of section E. So now section E, third sum and sixth sum we will solve. Same method, same formula. A vendor wants to display lipsticks of different brands according to their popularity. For that he invites two experts, Prayal and Nishi, to rank the lipsticks of different brands. Ranked by Prayal, ranked by Nishi. Find rank correlation coefficient to know the similarity. Lipstick ranked by Prayal, that is Rx, ranked by Nishi, that is Ry, then D is equals to Rx minus Ry, then finally D A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 2, 4. 5, 7, 6. 2, 1, 4. 3. So friends, these are the columns. We want sigma d square. So 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 7, minus 1. 7 minus 6, plus 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 4, minus 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1. 4, 4, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Plus 1, 10. 11, 12. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 12 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 in bracket 7 square minus 1. 1 minus 72 divided by 7 in bracket 49 minus 1. 1 minus 72, 7 in bracket 49 minus 1 is 48. So 1 minus 72 divided by 48 into 7 is 336. 1 minus 72 divided by 336, 0.214, so 0.21. So answer is 0.79. And finally we are solving the last sum for today, that is sixth sum. Very easy sums. Now we are going to solve sixth sum. To know the relation between the results of examinations taken in span of short time, a teacher has conducted 2 examinations in last 2 weeks and the ranks obtained by the 7 students are as follows. Rank in test 1, rank in test 2, find rank correlation coefficient to know the similarity between 2 examinations. Student ranking test 1, that is Rx, ranking test 2, this is Ry, D is equals to Rx minus Ry, and finally D square. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 5, 1, 2, 3.5, 3.5, 7, 6, 7, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2. Okay. 5 minus 7 minus 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3.5 minus 6 minus 2.5. 3.5 minus 5 minus 1.5. 7 minus 3 4. 6 minus 2 4. Now 4 0 4. 2.5 square is 6.25. 1.5 square is 2.25. 16 16. So 4 plus 4 plus 6.25 2.25 16 16, it is 48.5. 4 4 6.25 2.25 16 16 48. Yes. R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n in bracket n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 48.5 upon, it is 7. 7 in bracket 7 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 48.5. It's 291 divided by 7 in bracket 49 minus 1. 1 minus 291. 7 into 48. 1 minus 291 divided by 48 into 7 is 336. 1 minus 291 divided by 336. 0.866, so 0.87. 1 minus 0.87 is 0.13. So friends, we have completed section E also. Now in section F, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sums and 2 sums of section E. 6 sums are homework. Also some of the sums are ignored are also given. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are homework considering section F. 5, 6, 7 are cancelled. So tomorrow 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 sums we will do and we will complete the chapter tomorrow itself. That's all for today. Thank you so much.